Hello everyone, the Blackview company has the world premiere of completely new products. The first one is the new robust smartphone BV8900. Then we have the brand new Blackview Tab 11 Wi-Fi tablet, and finally the top Mini PC MP200 model. These products can be now to be obtained at extra affordable prices. The sales links are below this video, so hurry up while there is a chance to grab these low prices. In the continuation of this video, let's take a look at the official presentations of these products in order in which we present them.